Hello, beautiful family, lovers of good things, lovers of beautiful things all over the globe. I bring greetings from a grateful heart. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on your time zone. Thank you so dearly for always tuning into this platform. I really do appreciate. Please do it to like our video, share, and subscribe. Today, I have a wonderful one that I want us to watch, and I will be watching it with you. Sit back, watch it, and I'll be right back.
By the time we stop this particular election, the people will have nobody to represent. Those particular corrupt politicians who always have kept mute. And the killing of Biafrans, they will have nothing and nobody to represent. Today we are listening to them, the one they call Kalu. Kalu is making a video calling on the president of Nigeria to respect court order. Kalu is calling on the president of Nigeria to respect court order. Kalu did not call on the president or call on anybody publicly to release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in the first place, that he committed no crime. It is now that Kalu is coming to call on the president to release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. He has not influenced anything. Rather, he wants Mazi Nnamdi Kanu dead. From actions, inactions, and the body language. So Kalu, who claimed to be an APC chieftain, he have access to the president. He have access to the Senate president. He have access to Malami. He have access to everybody as Nigeria criminal and establishment and terrorist establishment is concerned. So you don't necessarily need to come and start doing video. So who are you deceiving? People who do video to air their message to the authority are those who have no access to the authority. People who have no access to the president will come and do a video so that the video can be sent to the president. People who have no access to Senate president will do a video so that it will get to the Senate president. People who don't have access to Malami will make a video so that it will get to Malami. But Kalu have access to all of them. Kalu go to the Aso Rock. Kalu go to Kalu was the parliament of the Senate president. He was campaigning for him, and he said he's going to support him with all his life. He have access to all these people. So coming on social media to make a video shows that he's an idiot.
Government of Nigeria to take advantage of the Court of Appeal judgment. Since they are court of record and court of competent jurisdiction, I appeal to President Buhari, the Attorney General of Federation, to see reason if we can build on political solution through this judgment. Most times I've gone to the detention to see Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and discuss with him deeply. And I want federal government to try this option of using the judgment of Court of Appeal for political solution in releasing Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. And we will be able to see how far the political solution will go with us. I thank President Buhari, who is the father of the nation. I thank the Attorney General for his usual counsel, and he will see reason with us. Thank you very much. That what is happening in Abia is not acceptable. Hallelujah. When we come the bush, we'll come the bush, Hasa local government. We'll come the bush in Aruchuku local government. And we'll come the bush in the local government. I'm warning, we'll come the bush. I'm warning everybody, do not allow your children to live in. Anything they seize in the bush, they will use.
Tukano is
Don't say anything is gone. I am telling you. I'm warning our people. From now to the next 4 months, anything the security see in the bush is not kill. Do not live in the bush. Do not keep your people in the bush. Do not put your children in the bush. Just go to your farm and go. And if that COVID is going to be, it's going to be a midnight affair. We'll come the bush and remove everything. We'll come with the Nigerian Air Force. We'll come with the Nigerian Army. We'll come with everybody. And you will see the power of God. We want peace here. We want our business to continue.
Yes.
And I am telling him tonight that he should not run faster than his shadow. He shouldn't worry. He is going to get it in a Wotowoto way when the time comes. He said he is going to bring a Tokuno to come and start bombarding people in Abia State. And after that, we responded, we are going to catch him. We're going to catch Uzor Kalu, catch him alive. When this whole thing will start, we will catch him. And all of them will pay for the killing of our people. If they think that the Biafra people are so coward or cowardly, they are cowardic that we don't know what we're going to do in future. Sorry is their name. Those who have ordered the killing of our people, either indirectly or directly or by proxy, you will have Biafra people to deal with. You can't stop Biafra from coming. So Orji coming on social media to make a video. Who is he deceiving? If I want to speak to the president of Nigeria, I make a video because I don't have access to him. But he have access to them. So who is he talking to? He want to tell the world, because he see that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is coming. He want to now tell the world, I called for his release. Now that the court has given the order, I also join in calling for the release. No. I want to also inform the people, those who say they own the land and they are the law. Don't worry. Don't worry. You are going to hear from us. Don't release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. You will hear from Biafrans. You know that this time around is not issue of social media. They are begging Buhari to release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, while Fulani have not begged for the release of Boko Haram, but they are releasing them every day. Nobody has made a video to release Boko Haram. They are releasing Boko Haram every day in their hundreds. These are people who have directly carried gun and murder people, killed soldiers, killed police, killed villagers, killed people. What is the ideology? Nothing. Only to turn Nigeria into Islamic State. They released Boko Haram without court order. Yet, the people that you elect or elected keep mute. Why our people are languishing in prison, different prison in Nigeria. You elect fools. Every 4 years, you elect them to go and represent you in an evil entity establishment of the British. So next year, we are going to end their reign. Those that you have elected and all they do is to tell you that they have the monopoly to kill at any time by inviting the military who are Boko Haram members to come to your villages and wipe you away. We are going to collect the power from them. I want you to understand that when we successfully stop Nigeria from conducting election, Uzor Kalu will have no power again. His power will end in the north, if not allow him. By the time we succeed in stopping election in Biafraland, Ohaneze Ndi Igbo and all of them, the power that they have, that they used to intimidate Biafrans, will be taken away from them completely. By the time we stop the election in Biafraland, every politician who have not spoken since the killing of Biafrans, the power will be taken away from them. I am telling you the fact.
My word, that brings us to the end of this beautiful update. Do wait to like this video, share and subscribe. The best thing for you to do is to join this family by smashing on that red subscribe button that says subscribe and turn on the bell icon for more latest updates. See you when I see you. From me to you, I say bye.